How to solve and get back suspended Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to appeal and request reactivation of your suspended account. First, open the Instagram app or go to instagram.com in your browser. After that, try to log in with your suspended account credentials. From there, you'll see a message saying your account has been suspended. At this point, tap on Learn More or Appeal Decision if available. In the next step, Instagram will take you to a page explaining why your account was suspended. Following this, tap on Request Review or Disagree with Decision. Once done, fill out the appeal form with your full name and email address. From here, explain clearly why you believe the suspension was a mistake. At this stage, if Instagram asks for identity verification, upload a photo of your government-issued ID. After this, make sure the ID clearly shows your name and photo. Once completed, tap Submit to send your appeal to Instagram's review team. Finally, wait for Instagram to respond via email, which may take several days to a few weeks. Check your email regularly and respond promptly if Instagram requests additional information. And that's it. If this suspended account appeal guide helped you understand the recovery process, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.